Hi there, students. To well up. Yeah, it's a phrasal verb. To well. What do you think this to well is? Well, a well is a hole in the ground where you get water or oil or gas. Yeah? And if something wells up, it comes out of the ground or out of something. It pours out. So water welled up out of the ground. Yeah? There was a spring. The water was coming out of the ground. Oil welled up out of the ground. His eyes welled up with tears. Okay? So if something, the liquid level in something increases and goes over the top, that is to well up. Yeah? I was wondering before I made the video, when you put something on to boil on your cooker and it starts boiling and all of the things come out, if that was to well up. But I have a feeling that's actually to boil over. I think well up is just under pressure from underneath, from the ground. Yeah? Okay? Yeah, tears well up, water wells up, oil wells up. I don't know if I can think of anything else. Yeah, maybe in the machine oil wells up out of the hole and we need to repair it. It's possible, yeah? But this idea of flooding over the brim, the edge of something, okay? So to well up, yeah? A regular verb as well. His eyes welled up with tears. Notice with this phrase what I find funny. My team is well up. Is in a good position. Yeah, they are winning by a lot, but that's completely different, okay? So notice well up and well up, yeah? Okay. You are well up on the opposition, yeah? You are in a much better position, okay? So that's a different type of thing, okay? But this is a phrasal verb. Something wells up out of the ground, wells up over the brim. So it's normally intransitive, okay? Anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, I hope emotion wells up inside you. That was quite good. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.